So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to view the stock information in Wealthsimple Trade here inside the Wealthsimple Trade app. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, next thing I want you to do is basically find whatever stock you want to find the information for. So we're going to go to the search tab right here. We're going to go to where it says search name, symbol, or service. And we're just going to search up a stock. For this example, we're just going to search up the Royal Bank. So we're going to search up RBC. As you can tell, ticker RY, Royal Bank of Canada. We're going to press on this option right here. So as you can tell, there is the chart of how it traded for the day. At the time I'm recording this video, it actually was up plus 1.4%. So that's a pretty good day for RBC stock. But if you want to view the details of this stock and the information, just scroll all the way down to the bottom past recurring investments to where it says stats. And as you can tell here, a whole bunch of different options or a whole bunch of different information you have access to. You can see the market cap, you can see the bid, the ask, the PE ratio, the 52-week high, the 52-week low, the volume, the high, the low, the exchange, the yield, a whole bunch of different information here you have access to within the Wealthsimple Trade application. So that is basically how you guys can view stock information inside Wealthsimple Trade using the Wealthsimple Trade mobile application. I hope this video helps.